Some big news coming in from Maharashtra. Governor Bhagat Singh Koshyari seeks Maharashtra government's response on former Mumbai top cop Parambir's letter bomb. Aghadi leaders to meet with the governor soon to put their side of the story. Just yesterday, BJP asked Maharashtra governor to speak to Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray over these allegations made by Parambir Singh. We're looking at some real developments, political developments here after BJP, the delegation led by Fadnavis, appraising the governor of all the allegations of corruption and even the involvement of Sachin Waze in the Ambani bomb scare case, eventually highlighting the links between Waze and the Aghadi leaders. Now the governor has sought for a response from the Maha-Aghadi government. Let's quickly cut across to Pankaj Upadhyay. Pankaj, please take us through exactly what's going to happen in the due course of today. We believe that the governor has summoned a response from the Aghadi leaders and they're all set to be meeting with the governor to put their side of the story. Any response has come in so far from the Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray as yet?
Taking place in Maharashtra. Right 24 hours later, when Devendra Fadnavis and his teammates met Governor Bhagat Singh Koshyari, comes this news that Bhagat Singh Koshyari has now asked the MVA government for the report on the allegations that have been levelled by former Mumbai Police Commissioner Parambir Singh. Now it is being learned that Governor Bhagat Singh Koshyari is not in Mumbai till the 28th of this month. So it really remains to be seen as to how the MVA is going to file the report and the response to the governor. Yesterday itself, Congress State Chief Nana Patole had said that a delegation led by Uddhav Thackeray himself would be meeting the governor. But now it seems likely that that meeting is going to be postponed. But what is going to be the next course of action of the MVA government, that has not been made official for now. But definitely this is an interesting development. Right after Devendra Fadnavis and his teammates meeting governor, just 24 hours later, the governor has acted on the demand because yesterday Devendra Fadnavis had said that this government has completely lost the moral ground to continue in power in the state and that the governor should be asking the state for the report. So MVA is going. MVA now is going to meet the governor when that date.
And who's going to be meeting with the governor? Any word on that, Pankaj?
Nabila, not really, because yesterday itself, as I was pointing out, it was Congress State Chief Nana Patole who had said that a delegation led by Uddhav Thackeray would be meeting the governor, but even then there was no word from the Shiva Sena or the NCP as such. So we are still waiting for some clarity from the MVA on this, but the BJP clearly is going to see this as yet another victory for them, that the governor has now called the MVA for a detailed report.
Thank you very much for joining us with those details.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.